let me start by introducing the all-new Galaxy Note 20.
Wow, there it is, the Galaxy Note 20. Note users have always been energized by work and inspired by play. Now that the division between work and play is blurring more than ever, we need to move fluidly between the two. Note 20 was designed to meet this need and support us in our daily lives. It's a new and improved way to optimize time and maximize efficiency. The new Galaxy Note 20 comes in two versions, the Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra. With everything we do on our phones these days, the display is really important. The Note 20 has a 6.7-inch screen, and the Note 20 Ultra has the largest smartphone display yet in our Note series at 6.9 inches. The display is the most vivid and brightest you can find on a smartphone today. It gives great visibility indoors and outdoors. We've seen your testimonies that no matter how you use your smartphone, once you experience the buttery smoothness of our 120 Hz display, it's really hard to go back. We're proud to bring that same experience to the Note 20 Ultra. And considering how much you'll be using it, we're happy to protect the new Note with the toughest glass ever on a smartphone. The Note can keep up with busy multitasking lifestyles. It delivers the best of power and the best of productivity. Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra have the fastest processors in the Galaxy series. Advanced chipsets combined with our all-day intelligent battery give you the power to last. And if you're ever running low, you can get more than 50% charge in just 30 minutes. That's staying power you can count on. We also offer end-to-end security in hardware and software with Samsung Knox. If you think about everything that we do on our phones, it's reassuring to know. Cameras are an integral part of the smartphone experience. For me, my gallery has replaced my diary. I use pictures to remember where I went, who I met, and even what I ate. I know a lot of you can relate. We expect our phones to do a lot, and Note 20 cameras are designed to live up to these high expectations. They come with one camera on the front and 3 in the back, ultra-wide, wide, and telephoto. You can get sharp pictures even when the subject is far away and crisp shots in low light. It's the biggest leap in low light photography in a Galaxy. And as you can see, the bold design is a proud declaration on its own. The Note 20 Ultra has it all: beautiful widescreen, powerful performance, and outstanding camera. They come together to deliver a fluid experience that opens up new possibilities for work and play.